also gave them funds for missile systems. We also gave the Coast Guard ships. As a matter of fact, we put 2.4 billion to the Coast Guard. I'm just hoping, and I hope they're listening now, my dear friend Jay Tariela, together with the NSA, I think they're here, together with the government agencies that are listening. Sana po napunta yung pondo na ibigay po namin sa inyo. Sana po na ibili po nyo ng mga gamit. Nalaman ko po, bago lang itong budget hearing, na yung binigay po ng Senado sa ating Coast Guard na 2.4 billion para ibili po ng barko, hanggang ngayon hindi pa ginagamit, hindi pa na-obligate, Mr. President. Baka mawala na po yan, baka mabalik po yan sa National Treasury. Sayang naman yung napakahirap maghanap ng pondo para sa programa, para sa modernization. Hanggang ngayon, Mr. President, pawang-awa po, walang nangyari hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nabibili. Kaya kawawa naman po yung ating mga kawani, yung ating Coast Guard, yung ating Navy. Hanggang sigaw na lang po sila. At this point in time, nagkarikature na nga. Kasi hindi natin binibigyan ng tamang equipment. Hindi natin binibigyan ng tamang bala. Nandyan na po ang pondo. I'm just giving us an example, yung sa Coast Guard. Bakit hindi pa nila binibili ng barko or offshore patrol ships for our Philippine Coast Guard? Let's put our money where our mouth is. We should stop just constantly debating about what we should do and put our action to our plans. That's why it's called a plan of action.